Lee has more than transformed my life. He's made it better. I'm fitter, more confident, come out of my shell a bit. He's made basketball pretty much my life.
He is the most fitting person I can think of to fit the bill of Transforming People's Lives Award. He works with children right up to 90-year-olds who've been on a National Exercise Referral Scheme, making sure that every single person has a positive experience in sport, regardless of their ability.
I don't feel like I'm transforming people's lives. It's more the other way around. The coach that I've become through coaching all sorts, all ages of people, especially the wheelchair basketball. I've met the most amazing people. The reason that I've sort of changed or made it so inclusive is because I love basketball. I love the sport, and I think that comes across.